Hello everyone.
Siyakhala ke manje. The CoastMzum party was in high spirit before the by-elections of Umzumbe, thinking they will win all those wards, but the people of Umzumbe South Coast have spoken and want to be led by Inkatha Freedom Party, followed by ANC. The MK party won only one ward, 11, Umzumbe municipality. The Ward 2 was snatched by IFP, getting 740 votes, which is 38.9%, followed by CoastMzum party with 582 votes, which makes 30%, and ANC got 537 votes and got 28%. On Ward 1, ANC won that ward, and on Ward 3, ANC again snatched that ward. Ward 9 was won by IFP, Ward 19 was won by IFP also. That means ANC lost 4 out of the 6 wards. Inkatha Freedom Party won 3 wards. CoastMzum Party only snatched 1 ward, which is Ward 11. CoastMzum Party really failed here with their chess master. How can you bring the same people from the ANC, the very same councillors that people are no longer happy about? You are using the same face to campaign for another party. From now on, IFP will have 17 seats in Umzumbe municipality, ANC will hold 17 seats, EFF 2 seats, CoastMzum Party only 1, ATM 1 seat, APEMO 1 seat. The ANC lost outright majority in 2021. There's another MK member trying to explain why they lost those wards. Watch this video and tell me.